Understanding Cost-Push Inflation, a simple guide. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an important economic concept, cost-push inflation. If you've ever wondered why the prices of goods and services sometimes rise, this video is for you. We're going to break it down into simple terms, so stick around to learn more about what causes cost-push inflation and how it affects our economy and daily life. Before we tackle cost-push inflation, let's understand what inflation itself means. Inflation is the rate at which the general level of prices for goods and services is rising, and, consequently, the purchasing power of currency is falling. In simpler terms, inflation makes everything more expensive, so your money buys less than it did before. Now, let's dive into cost-push inflation. This type of inflation occurs when the costs of production increase, leading businesses to raise prices to maintain their profit margins. These production costs can include things like wages, raw materials, and taxes. When the cost of making a product goes up, the price of that product typically goes up too. Key factors leading to cost-push inflation. Increased raw material costs. For example, if the price of oil goes up, it affects the cost of transporting goods, which can lead to higher prices for a wide range of products. Rising labor costs. When wages increase, companies may pass on those costs to consumers in the form of higher prices. Taxes and regulations. New government policies can increase the cost of production, which, in turn, raises prices. Cost-push inflation can have various effects on an economy. Reduced purchasing power. As prices rise, people can afford to buy less with the same amount of money. Stagflation. This is a situation where inflation is high, economic growth slows, and unemployment remains steadily high. It can be a result of prolonged cost-push inflation. Interest rate changes. Central banks may increase interest rates to control inflation, which can affect loans and mortgages. Understanding cost-push inflation is crucial for grasping how economic factors influence the prices we pay for goods and services. While it's a complex topic, breaking it down helps us see the interconnectedness of wages, production costs, and prices. We hope this video has shed some light on the subject and made the concept of cost-push inflation more accessible. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content in the future. Stay curious.